Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a private server in Blox Fruits PC and mobile. Start by opening the Roblox app. You can do this on both PC and mobile. Locate Blox Fruits. It should be under the continue heading. Then select it, making sure not to launch the game. Then select create private server. On mobile, tap the social button at the bottom. Then tap on the create private server option. Here, you will see the price for the private server at the moment is 200 Robux. This is the price per month, meaning you will automatically be charged again in a month's time. However, you can cancel the private server subscription at any time. Select the server name box. You should now see your server under the private servers heading. If you don't, then click the refresh button. On mobile, you can tap refresh in the top corner or drag down to refresh the whole page. Click on the three dots in the corner of your private server, then select configure. If you want friends to be able to join, then turn on the allow joining option and the friends allowed option. Alternatively, you can add people by clicking the add people button or click the generate button to create a server link. Click the copy button to the left of the link, then paste it to share with other players you want to join. You now know how to make a private server in Blox Fruits. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.